Do you want to take a look at all of the contents that are in the very latest Spellbinders card kit of the month that was just released today, March 1st, 2023? So for the March 2023 kit, it is called Be Yourself. This is probably my favorite kit ever from them, but definitely this year, I think it's my favorite, which I guess there's not so many months yet. It does come with 8 cards and 8 envelopes, A2 size. And the color palette and some of the elements are what I really love about it. So I will share all of that. There are 20 A2 card panels. So these are solid pieces of cardstock. We have purple, pink, yellow, a dark green, and a light blue. And those will coordinate and kind of give you a peek at the color palette. But what I was excited is when I saw the more jewel tones and the darker colors that were incorporated this time. They're not, super dark or anything, but I feel like I've got a lot of pastel lately, and I am excited for some of these jewel tones. Some of their paper has these gold foiling elements to it. There's one of each sheet, and I believe 20 sheets of pattern paper in all. There's a lot of these sort of really general patterns, like they don't have a lot going on, and then you can mix them with maybe a little bit busier of a pattern, and I really like having those combinations. Go through these real quick. You can see the bees coming through already. Overall though, I do find the papers, they have like smaller scale and really, really easy to work with. I'm excited about that. Then there are the puffy banner stickers. So a lot of great sentiments are usually included in these, and I'm immediately seeing a bunch of that. There's just one of each of the puffy stickers, but those will be really easy to use on a card. There are the puffy banner stickers, and then these are the puffy stickers that are words. So again, you can use them for sentiments, although I'm noticing that these to me are reading a little bit more like scrapbooking kind of elements. I do, because it's a card kit of the month, so I do prefer when I see things that are very, very easy to use on cards, but these are quite pretty. The chipboard embellishments, which are these, it's double-sided, so there's some on the front and back. Another, a lot of great sentiments overall, but then just a couple of plain images to embellish your cards. There are some sequins. These are solid sequins, so there's no hole in them, and they are in this really pretty dark blue color. They shine a lot. The die-cut shapes, which I have spread out in this box because when I'm wanting to use them, I think it's really helpful to have them spread out, but I don't like to put it all over my desk because then it creates a big old mess, and I drop them and that kind of thing. So hopefully this box will contain them. There are 2 of each die-cut piece. They have a lot of gold foil accents on them, but one of the reasons that I say this was one of my favorite kits is that not only is the color palette really up my alley, there are so many sentiments in these die cuts, and that is not something that I'm seeing as frequently. So some other kits, there only might be like 1 or 2, maybe like 5 tops, different sentiments, but there are so many in this one. You are my sweetheart, keep on being you. Some of these, again, like this says buzzing about this, which you could totally like buzzing about this, your birthday or something. You can make it work for a card. This says just for you, my heart belongs to you. This one says good life, maybe not so much on a card, but there are way more sentiments that I'm used to seeing in the die cuts, and a lot of the beautiful gold foiling that goes along with them. Tying in the bee, because it's the be yourself, which is a reference to like the animal bees, and there's a lot of sentiments that go with it, and I like punny sentiments personally. I know it's not for everyone, but there's plenty that aren't as well, and lots of little bee die cuts. Hello honey, happiness is here. Again, maybe a little bit more of a scrapbook sentiment. Kind heart, brave spirit, gentle soul. Sweet like honey. I don't know, I'm like, this is gonna be just so easy to put some cards together. And then there are some foam squares and adhesive, and that is a quick look at this card kit. I can't wait to use it. There will be a video where I make a whole bunch of cards with this kit, either coming out, the same day or within days. When it's available, I'll link that video up here, and there will be a link in the video description to these products, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.